What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a holiday makeup tutorial. Yeah, something for you to wear in your living room on Christmas Day. All right, so we're just gonna jump right into it. And right now I am priming my face, and I'm using some Prep and Matte primer from Lancome. My skin is very oily, so yeah. And for today's palette, I'll be using the Violet Voss palette. Child, I went so fast, I couldn't even see the name, baby. But it's a Violet Voss palette. Child, let's get into these eyelids, all right? I didn't know the look that I was really going for, but I kind of just had to go with the flow. So I'm going to just spread that concealer all out over my eyelid, you know, just give it an even base, so that when I start applying this eyeshadow, baby, this eyeshadow can pop. So a lot of these colors, I really thought I was doing like this brown look until I start putting these colors on my lid, and the color was really like deep purple-esque type of colors, you know. But baby, I was already in deep, so I was like, we're gonna keep going. Yes, we are. All right. So yeah, as y'all can see, this is why I started on my other eye, because like I said, the colors weren't giving what I thought they were. I really thought I was using some deep and light browns, but they were really deep and light purples. So that color right there is like, it was like a deep purple-esque, like, you know, it was like a medium purple. All right, and then now I'm gonna just go in and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, back to the magic. Yeah, I'm gonna just blend that out. Blend. Like I said, this is like a Christmassy holiday makeup look. Something for you to wear in your living room. This is the look that you do when, baby, you're trying to turn heads but not break necks. You feel me? Because I don't know if I'm the only one, but I don't wear makeup around my family. Why? Number one, because my family black. And number two, because I got that black family to where they like, who is that? Like, literally one time my sister told me that she didn't know who I was with the makeup on. She said she thought I was a Barbie doll. Now, granted, I don't really even I don't look like, you know, extremely different. But yeah, so I don't be wanting to deal with any of that. So I really just don't wear no makeup around my family. Only thing I like really wear around them is my eyebrows, but baby, that's embedded at this point. That's a part of my DNA at this point. But other than that, I don't really like to wear makeup around them, because I just don't want to hear the rest. I do not want to hear the rest of it. All right. So yeah, this is something to where it's like, it's not too much, but it's enough. All right. So as y'all can see, like I said, I'm just blending all these colors out. And once I realized it was purple, I just kept going with the purple theme. So that's why I put the purple shimmer in the middle. And even that deep purple right there, like, I really just thought it was brown. I really thought it was brown. So yeah, let's get into this face. Lately I've been really liking to use tinted moisturizer, because my skin don't really be needing too much. It just be needing, like, you know, just like a even flush. So tinted moisturizer is the way to go, especially if you want something light. This is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer that I'm using right now. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend all that out, baby. And like I said, y'all see it's just doing what it needs to do. And clearly, I don't know what I'm listening to, but it had to be good. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal the basics. So yeah, at this point, if you guys have not already commented, and subscribed, I really don't know what y'all waiting for. I'm not really sure if y'all waiting until Christmas to do it, so you can say it's my Christmas gift. I don't really know what you're waiting for. But yeah, get into it. Definitely. Yeah, get into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry that I didn't greet y'all properly, but most times when I do these makeup looks, I just be throwing myself right into it. I don't give myself no time for introductions, none of it. So I'm sorry for the rudeness. But yeah, hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin' with y'all? I'm happy to have all y'all here, whether that be new, old, young. It don't matter who you is. I'm really happy to have you here. Thank y'all so much for even taking the time out of your day to tune in to what I got going on. All right, baby. yes, get into it. And also, if you guys are into makeup, clearly I do makeup on this channel, but I was saying that to say that I know I popped up on here with my eyebrows already done. I do have a couple videos on my channel, you know, of me doing my brows. And I could do it with a pencil, I could do it with the dip brow, I can do it like with a pen, like a fluffy brow type of look. Baby, all the brows, I could do them because, you know, range. Got to have a range. Alright, so right now, back to the makeup. We bringing some color back into our face. And I'm using this Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And then I'm carving out my nose. Give myself a little, you know, a little sketched out nose real quick. Because that's what I like. And I'm going to do what I like. And that's on period. Don't play with me. Like, I feel like the camera wasn't really giving this look what it needed to give. Because this look wasn't like... I really like this look. But I feel like the camera wasn't really giving. Like, it wasn't giving. Like, it was really, like, washing me out. And I don't appreciate that. Because this camera's supposed to be on my side. You feel me? And now I'm just brushing away like that excess baking powder from when I baked. Setting powder. It's not legit baking powder, y'all. Come on now. Just for the people in the back who don't understand. Yeah. So I'm brushing off that setting powder, that excess setting powder. I really never even showed y'all that I used it, but I used it, okay? I used it. I'm brushing off that excess setting powder. I'm going in to spray some setting spray on my face. Y'all let me know if y'all do makeup, how many times do y'all spray setting spray on? Because I know a lot of people say, oh, setting spray isn't just for the end. Setting spray is for, like, you know, the whole routine. But I just really don't understand that. Like, you know, how many times do I need to spray something? But I seen one girl, she sprayed her face by like 5, 10 different times. Like, in every single step, she sprayed her face. And I'm not really understanding the purpose. I don't know, maybe it really just make it stay in her makeup. It wasn't moving. So I guess maybe she doing something right. Like, she was pressing on the makeup and everything with a napkin. And baby, the makeup was not moving. The makeup was there to stay. Yeah. So right now, I'm just putting blush all over my face to, you know, bring back some color. And of course, I'm going to highlight. You know, who would I be if I didn't highlight? Come on now. Stop playing with me. Play with your kids, but don't play with me. All right? Play with Santa. Don't play with me, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna highlight, make sure that highlight popping, make sure she doing what she need to do, make sure she clocking in and clocking out of her job, you feel me? Make sure that highlighter is popping. Yeah. And once again, friendly reminder, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please. Who else got a boyfriend that's annoying? I know that's real random, but he kind of just got on my nerves. Literally every time I'm sitting up here trying to record, all of a sudden he want to have a conversation. Sir, you ain't want to talk to me all day. Don't talk to me now. Come on now. Like, literally, it never fails. And then he be like, oh, babe, I forgot. How you forgot? Leave me alone. Anyways, let's get into this lip combo. Because, baby, when I tell y'all this lip combo really changed the game for me. All right, boom. So we going in with this brown lip liner. Yes, we are. I was just trying to get out like that excess makeup off and the excess lip gloss that I already had on off, so that it could, like, the color could actually show up. You have him. Yeah. So go ahead and line those lips. Go ahead and what you gonna do next? I'm putting my lip gloss on from Everything Glossy. It's like this little milky color. Get into it. Yeah. Do not play with me. Go shop my new collection. And y'all see that lip combo, baby. When I tell y'all I am here for it, I am here for it. Yeah, but this basically completes my look. Get into it. Y'all look real pretty. Yes. Give me life. Yes, girl. You look good. And don't let nobody else tell you different. Because, baby, I wish somebody would. Baby, anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. Like I said, make sure you do like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2021. I really, 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 really love y'all, and I appreciate y'all so much. Yeah, get into it. Yeah, I just got a bug. Get into it. Yeah, hey, I read that truck. Get into it. Yeah, bye y'all.